I can just use it this way. Okay. So we were given some assignments to do, and I went on Microsoft Edge to search for the questions that were given. But I realized that as I was reading, though I was using Copilot and ChatGPT to tab information, but as I continued reading, I saw Wikipedia, like there were other articles there too. I just chanced on it, and then I clicked on the URL and it took me to a whole article published by someone, and then that was how come I chanced on the information. Yes, it was, but sometimes I feel like it's it's bunch, and some too are not too insightful. But the long and short of the stories, it was useful. I dabbed what I had to dab, and then the rest I just left it.
My experience is like when you get to the link, it takes you to other links, so that the write-up itself is in black, but there are some links that are in blue. So if you click on those ones, it takes you to other places that you can get information from.
Oh, interesting. You guys are already wiki ambassadors.
Okay. So for me too, I was just searching about personality. Let's say someone like Ronaldo or let's say Martinita. So I wanted to know more about Martinita. So I just said on the Google and I saw the link that would take me to Wikipedia. I clicked on it and yeah, I was able to read a lot from there. But then I think I have a concern. Most people say that Wikipedia, you can easily update the things over there. So any person can just update the things. So sometimes it's not reliable. That's something I.
Okay, so I watch movies a lot, so like yeah. So sometimes when I finish watching the movie, I have to like go and search for some of the cast, those people that acted the movies. And when I go to Wikipedia, like I get more like ideas about them, how they are, their lifestyle, their school and everything. That's what.